Hi everyone, it's Katina. I wanted to show you my latest lunch. Hold on. So it looks a little bit like the other one, my previous video, but this time I used a pre-cut, pre-washed cabbage, which I find delicious, especially with mayo. So in there's about a cup of already pre-shredded, actually it's more than cabbage. I think there's two kinds of cabbages, and the red one and the regular one. Then I put, oh, there's a little bit of carrots, that's true. So it's very easy when you have kids and all. You buy those prepared vegetables that there's nothing in it, no mayonnaise and not any seasoning, so you can do whatever you want, and it's healthier too. So I have about a cup of that, then a couple of tablespoons of Italian, sorry, I'm tired today. I had a good, very long day. So Italian parsley, and have one egg. I have about a table and a half to 2 tablespoons of light mayo. I would say stick to one, but it's okay to have 2. It's tastier. Then I have a little bit of, I cut up a little bit of, what's it called? See, when you work too hard, cucumber. So cucumber diced, shallots or green onions, I think it's in English is the proper word, and mix that all up with a quarter of a cup, I forgot almost, a quarter of a cup of red lentils already cooked, and 1 small orange, so the CLEMENTINE that I was mentioning. So it's a pretty nice lunch. I have some leftover pasta that I'm going to eat with that, but usually when you have salad like this, first of all, it's more of a spring summer kind of lunch, but I like to have, some from one time to sometimes I like to have these kind of lunches, but I have to say this is the leftover. I'm gonna have pasta. So usually I like soup in the winter and salads like this one in the spring. So I'm going to have the complete list of ingredients and approximately the quantities for each. So just to end this, I want to say that if you have 1 egg, there's already protein in it. So that's why I cut back to a quarter of a cup of red lentils. Otherwise, it's higher in calorie. But if you only have eggs, I would recommend 2 eggs, or maybe 3. Sometimes if you're working out that day, you need a lot of proteins. Otherwise, I usually use half a cup of red lentils. So have a good day.